Today we are going to go over how to enable the ability for residents to manage renters through the community site. In order to do this first part, you're either going to have to be the website administrator or a user with elevated privileges. If you fall underneath one of these two categories, let us continue. First, you'll have to log into your account. For this example, we're going to log into admin. You'll then be brought to the internal homepage. You will go to Welcome drop-down menu and go to Membership. From here, you will click on Configure Member Settings. You'll want to make sure that under the Site Settings window, the Allow Owners to Manage Occupant Renters profile is checked. Once it is checked, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on Save Settings. You'll notice a message that says the settings were successfully updated. The resident is now able to manage occupants and renters on their profile. For this next part, we're going to sign in as a resident, which they will, once they hit the website, log in as their user. And use their password. Once they hit the internal home page, they will go down to the Welcome drop-down menu, go to My Resident Area, select Resident Homeowner Profile, and you will see that there is a field called Occupied By. Currently, it says Vacant or Undisclosed Renter. To change this as the resident, click Change. You'll now have the option to either claim the residence as your own for now by clicking on Mark Occupied by Owner, or you may choose to add a new occupant. To do that, click on Add New Occupant. You will now be brought to an Add Member Record page. We recommend that you at least get the first and last name of the renter along with an email address. Once you've filled out all the pertinent information within this member record, click Save Changes. You'll get a notification that this record has been successfully saved. Go back to Resident Home and then click Resident Homeowner Profile, and you will now notice that the property is being occupied by the tenant. If at any time the tenant changes, you can click Change. You can mark it as a vacant, which means that there's no tenant there, change occupant, or occupied by owner. This now concludes the ability for residents to manage renters through the community website.